What the fuck is up, you degenerate animals? It's Ya Boy, back for another deep dive. And this one, let me tell you, it's got my brain doing fucking backflips. We're talking giant animals.
Oh, yeah.
The fuck off, huge kind that makes you question reality. Makes you realize, we're just these tiny little shits compared to the monsters that roam, or, well, used to roam this planet.
Right. It's mind-blowing when you really try to picture it, their scale.
Exactly. I mean, we're talking creatures so big they make King Kong look like a goddamn chihuahua. So we're starting with this Giant Animals Wikipedia page as our launch pad. It's got all this crazy shit about megafauna, mythological megafauna, and gigantism. So, Doc, break it down for us. What the hell are these things?
All right, let's cut the crap and dive in. Megafauna, basically, it's the big boys. The heavy hitters in any ecosystem or time period. Like, picture woolly mammoths stomping around during the Ice Age, right?
Yeah.
Giant sloths just chilling in prehistoric South America. Or even like a Komodo dragon.
Wait, hold up.
Those things are still around.
Komodo dragons count as megafauna. They do. Those things are basically dinosaurs.
Well, they're definitely living fossils.
I saw one at the zoo once. I swear it looked like it could swallow a whole goat.
Yeah, they're apex predators, no doubt.
Jesus.
But they show that megafauna isn't just some ancient history thing. It's still shaping ecosystems today, all over the planet. Now, mythological megafauna, that's where shit gets really interesting.
Oh, yeah, here we go.
We're talking krakens, thunderbirds.
Right.
All those mythical beasties that haunted our ancestors' dreams.
I mean, giant squids snatching ships.
Right.
Thunderbirds causing storms with their wings. Come on.
Our ancestors were clearly high on something.
Oh, high on something.
Yeah, high on life, maybe.
Yeah.
But seriously, these myths tell us a lot about how humans used to view the world around them, right? Their fears, their fascination with the unknown, and their desperate need to explain things they just didn't understand. And it's not that different today, really. I mean, look at our obsession with monster movies, video games, cryptids.
Oh, hell yeah. I'd shit bricks if I saw Bigfoot in the woods.
Right.
But speaking of real life, holy shit, that's huge stuff. Let's talk gigantism.
Ah, yes, gigantism. When an animal's like, screw the rules, I'm growing huge E.
Yeah, what's the deal with that?
Well, sometimes it's hormones, sometimes it's messed up genes,
Right.
Sometimes it's a combo platter of weirdness. It can give an animal some serious advantages, right? Like better access to food, dominance over rivals. But it can also be a real pain in the ass, literally.
So basically, these giant creatures are either freaks of nature or just built different.
Pretty much, yeah. And it's not always a good thing.
Yeah.
Gigantism can screw with your bones, your heart,
Oh, no.
even cut your life short.
Damn.
There's this guy, Robert Wadlow.
Yeah.
Grew to almost 9 feet tall.
9 feet.
Yeah, because of a pituitary gland disorder.
Jeez.
But his size caused all sorts of health problems.
Yeah, that makes sense. So we've got extinct megafauna, mythical beasts, and then these real-life giants with their own unique growth quirks.
Yeah, it's a whole spectrum of size and importance.
Pretty crazy.
It makes you wonder what drives these variations, right? We talked about hormones and genes.
Yeah, the internal stuff.
But what about the external factors?
Like what?
Climate, resources, competition.
Okay.
It's like there's this thing called Bergmann's rule.
Bergmann's rule.
Says animals in colder places tend to be bigger.
Interesting.
And then there's island dwarfism.
What's that?
Limited resources on an island can actually lead to smaller species over time.
So the environment can either pump these creatures up or shrink them down.
Exactly.
That's wild. It makes you think about the future too, right? Like,
yeah.
Will climate change create some crazy new giant animals? Or will we fuck up the planet so bad that only cockroaches survive?
That's the million-dollar question. We've seen how humans have already screwed with megafauna in the past.
Yeah.
Hunting them to extinction, destroying their habitats.
Yeah. It's a reminder, that we got to be careful with this planet.
Yeah, for sure.
The balance of things is delicate.
All right, folks, there you have it. A crash course in giant animals. From extinct behemoths to mythical monsters to the scientific weirdness of gigantism. Who knows what the future holds? Maybe we'll see some brand new giants evolve. Or maybe we'll be the ones going extinct. Either way, it's a wild ride, and we're all just along for it. Catch you later.